Omega froze all our accounts. Cards, transfers, everything is dead. Any transaction through a bank and they'll find us in minutes.
So what do we buy equipment with?
Virtual card, Verum. No bank, no name, no documents.
Balance?
0. But there's the crypto card. Done.
Luna goes to the electronics store for the equipment. I'm going with her.
It's an electronics store, not Omega headquarters.
She'll be fine, Commander.
I said I'm going with her.
Got everything. Let's pay.
Payment accepted.
Monitoring all transactions. Cards, transfers, cash withdrawals. 0 activity from our targets.
They have no money?
They have money. We just can't see where it comes from.
How are they paying?
With Omega, it'll be between those two.
If we can't track money, their calls, or their location, then we need someone who will lead them to us. Find me Zero, alive.
Everything works. We're ready for Istanbul. Thanks for coming with me.
Don't mention it.
Setting up for Istanbul?
When we land, instant connection. No local SIM, no passport, no trace.
Omega won't even know which country we're connecting from.
Terminal clear so far. No visual.
They could be anywhere, or already gone.
Airport teams report in. Terminal is clean. No matches on facial recognition, no financial activity, no signal.
They were there, and we missed them. They're already gone.